Hai. Saya
Hai
Syah.
Hai Wani.
Apa nama dia?
Nama kedai ni
Zara Awliya.
Zara Awliya di Shalam section. Aku ni tak pasti tapi Shalam.
Jom.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and apa khabar semua? How's everyone? And welcome back to my channel at WaniXqzts. So today I'm gonna do unboxing. Okay, so check out the video. This is the item that I received. This little bag here, and let's check out the items. So this one is Labaika by Zara Awliya. Okay, let's do unboxing. At our thank you card notes over here. Okay, so they have brochures on their products if you are going for Umrah or Haji. So they have products for men and for ladies. Okay, the one that I ordered for this package is the 9-in-1. So it comes, ada telekung dia. This is the mini telekung. Mini telekung. It's so soft.
She's the true cover girl. Whoa, Deen Squad. For all my sisters around the world, man. Yeah, yeah. She be rocking that. She be rocking that. She be rocking that.
Okay, so that's my unboxing for Zara Awliya. So do check out their Instagram account for the other products that they have in their boutique. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to do unboxing is from the DeDivasFashion. You can check out their Instagram, or you can check out the description box below where I have the link to their Instagram account. So let's unbox it. Yeah, so that's all today on my unboxing, and if I have more, I will share it in my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like this video and do comment if you want me to share more videos on other products, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my videos and hope to see you again. Bye semua. Assalamualaikum.
She represents peace and she got her own voice and she's not forced to wear it cause she made her